you would like to make a referral to Help Me Grow, all you need to do is go to helpmegrowmn.org. And this is a screen you're going to get when you come up to this website. There's a little blue button over here that says Refer a Child. If you hover over that, a drop down will come, and you want to fill out the professionals form. It's really important. It's going to ask you this first question if you have consent. If you hit the no button, you're still going to be able to submit a referral. However, if you hit yes, you're going to see that you can enter more comments down here. If you hit no, this box is going to go away so that you can only give us basically what's in the phone book. If you hit yes, you're going to be able to give us more information. So you're just going to quickly fill out the little form. And fill in the child's birth date. This will get sent directly to whoever is in charge of these referrals, regardless of what school district they're in. Again, it's going to ask you if parents are aware of the referral. You can check no. It makes it easier for us to know when we go to call the parent if they're aware of it or not. If an interpreter is needed, go ahead and check the yes, and you can tell us which language. If it's not found there, you can add any language, and we will find an interpreter for that family. This box is asking who the child resides with. If it is a child residing with a foster family, you can put that information, but we do also need the child's biological mother and or father. So you can put that in contact to, you can put that in the comment box, whatever is easiest, but we do need both foster and biological parents' names. Where the child is living. And then we do ask your information in case we have more questions, we can get a hold of you. You don't need to fill in the stuff that does not have a star by it. So if you don't know the doctor's names, that's perfectly fine. The reason for the referral, whatever that reason would be, and then if you would like any information back on the results of that screening, if we get a release signed, we will let you know what the results are. If we can't get into the home and can't get a release signed, and if you don't have one on file, then we can't get back to you with anything other than we couldn't get in to see the family. And then this is where you hit submit referral. I hit submit referral and I did not get a reference code, which means that I made a mistake up here. So for example, I did not list a reason for the referral. So if I go ahead and hit that it's a speech referral or whatever the referral is for, hit submit referral. If the referral goes through, you're going to see that there's a reference ID number. This is for your records. This means that the referral went through. If you don't get that referral ID number, then there was a mistake in the referral above, and you need to go back and fill in that question that was not answered. But that's how to make a referral to Help Me Grow. It's super simple. And if you have any questions, you can always call your local school district and we can walk you through it. Thank you very much.